Oh, and the color. Listen, the color. Clink, clink.
DJ Khaled. Stay down till I came up. I did it, I did it, I did it.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGqueenHair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. It is also SipnSlay, and your girl is back on her wine kick. So let's go ahead and bust open this Stella Rosa Red Apple. I've only tried this joint one time, so I wanted to go ahead and try her again. She is pretty much in my, I would say like in my top 5 Stella Rosa wines. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour her up into my new little glass here that I got from Amazon. She fancy. They pretty much the wine glass without the stem. So cute, so cute. Okay, look all fancy with the pinky up. Okay, let's take a little sip. She's still good. I feel real fancy drinking out of this glass, y'all. Like, this is cute. This is real cute. Now, before we get into this glueless install that I slayed today, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
No more than emotionally invested, showing you all my imperfections. If I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were more than you could manage. Yeah, open with me, oh we could be honest, closer to me, oh giving me signs. Promise that you won't let me fall.
thinking? Okay, what are we thinking about this joint right now? Y'all saw how she looked out the pack. She was a little iffy, but I knew how I wanted to rock her. I knew how I wanted to slay her and what I needed to do. I knew I wanted to do as least as possible to get this joint together. Let me tell you right now, if you don't have a hot comb, it's okay. If you have a blow dryer though, that joint will help you get your wigs flattened down. Don't believe me? You watched, okay? You watched the install, so you know, okay? But anyway, like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGqueenHair. It is their straight brown highlight bob. All the specs for my unit and the coupon code are right here on the screen, so if you want to check this joint out, you can definitely hit the link in the description box. Now, I believe this unit does have a 13x4 lace frontal. It also has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It does come with an adjustable elastic band to add to your unit to make this unit more secure. However, I just use the adjustable straps that's in the back, tighten them down a little bit, and just put this joint on my head, and that's how she's sitting on my head now. Over top my wig grip though, okay? Y'all know the wig grip gets the security. Use your wig grip. If you don't have one, get one. It's down below in the description box. I put the links down there for a reason. Use them joints, okay? This unit is glueless. However, I did spray down my ear tab just right here because I didn't want her kind of flapping in the wind. The texture of this unit is a light Yaki. Light Yaki and Yaki textures do come with that crinkle type of fiber, okay? So if you don't like that crinkle texture, then get a kinky straight. But if you don't mind the crinkle, okay, go ahead and get this Yaki texture and use your heat to straighten it out as much as possible. A high heat tool will definitely get the crinkles out, but it will take a little bit to straighten that all down. I ain't have all that time, okay? I just use my blow dryer on high heat around the top here to get that all flat and to press out any flyaways that I had with my wax stick and the blow dryer to make sure those were good to go and not all up in my face. And then I went in with my curling iron that I got from Amazon as well. This is the Conair Infinity Pro curling iron. I think it's like a 1.5 inch, but y'all, it curls pretty good, okay? I'm not mad at this joint. It's nice, okay? Why am I like this? This thing always tickles me. I don't know why. Nothing crazy. Y'all know how I curl my units. I kind of just go all over the place. This unit I feel like was very easy to style. The length is very nice for me, and the color. Listen, the color, clink, clink. Are we here for the color? Because guess what? I am. Now, before you ask, is this beginner friendly? I would say yes. If you know how to curl your own hair and you know how to get, your hair, to kind of cooperate the way that you need her to by using your products, it can definitely be beginner friendly. If you're not someone who's used to like this texture or working this texture or making sure you can get the texture kind of hold the curls, then it may be a little bit more intermediate. But the install that I did was definitely beginner friendly because y'all saw no glue, only did a little bit of plucking up here that was in the front. That wasn't even needed. And then I also used my creamy contour around my hairline to make sure I blended my lace in. Okay, if you're not a fan of hot tools, okay, then you may not be a fan of this one. But y'all know me, okay? Y'all know me. I'ma do a little razzle dazzle. She came on together. She got a little flowy look to her. She got the natural look going. Yes, she do. Wait a minute, hold on. There's something in my mouth. What are we thinking about this one? I think this color is going to be the new color of the fall, okay? I'm seeing a lot of units come out with this color, especially in the curly texture. So y'all, this about to be the one. I'm telling you now. I didn't get no shedding or tangling with this unit. However, there was a chemical smell with this unit, so you definitely want to go in and wash this unit before you style her. Now, it is a textured unit, okay? A Yaki texture unit, so the curls will not last all day. So use your hairspray when you're curling your unit to get your curls to kind of stay in place. You can actually pin curl this joint to make them last a little bit longer. A lot of y'all be telling me like, I curled my unit and mine fell pretty much after. How do you keep yours in? I don't keep mine in. This video takes about 30 minutes to film once I style my hair, so they fall in pretty much soon after that. Okay, so be mindful of that, okay? They don't stay in all day either, okay? I just do my best to keep them as long as possible. So I've learned that you spray in the hair with hairspray and then curling her keeps the curls in a little bit longer. I ain't here to bamboozle nobody, okay? I'm gonna tell you what it is, and what it is use your products to get your hair to stay longer, okay? That is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMGqueenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.